In today's video we going to talk about what happens to your hair when you stop drinking coffee. Most of us have thought about stopping drinking coffee at some point, right? But did you know that coffee, besides being beneficial to your health, also makes your hair prettier? Let's find out what would happen to your locks if you decided to give up on coffee. Your hair may not grow in the same way if you are trying to grow your hair faster. Drinking a cup of coffee a day can actually help you, did you know that? When consumed in moderation, caffeine helps reduce the production of dihydrotestosterone, a hormone that can cause hair loss. Your hair may get more fragile. Besides keeping you awake in the morning, coffee can make your hair stronger inside. Isn't it nice? The increased blood flow in the scalp, stimulated by coffee, prevents the hair follicles from weakening, avoiding hair loss and making the hair strong and smooth. Your hair can get less voluminous for the same reason as coffee makes the hair strong, it also makes the hair fuller. Most of the products that make the hair grow faster, stronger, and more voluminous contain caffeine. Liking the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Although conditioners and hair serums may help revive lifeless hair, drinking coffee can also give dull hair a new life. Since caffeine increases blood flow, it helps deliver nutrients to the hair roots, making the hair naturally shinier. Your hair gets harder to manage. Although hair texture is determined mainly by genetics, you eat and drink can also impact its quality. Besides making the hair stronger and shinier, caffeine can also help you tame rebel hair. When the hair roots receive the essential vitamins and nutrients, the hair gets softer and more manageable. Now, tell us, did you know the benefits of coffee to your hair? Have you ever tried to stop drinking coffee? Share your experiences with us.